Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to peel carrots like a pro. And this will be the easiest tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. There are some carrots right here, as you can see, and all that you need in order to do this are carrots, or even just a singular carrot is fine, and a peeler just like this. This is the way that I peel carrots, and I feel like it's a great method, so I figured that I would outline it in this video tutorial, and it's so easy. It is literally one of the easiest ways that you can do this. So, without further ado, I'm going to just do it on the cutting board over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the carrot like this, okay? I'm going to take the peeler, and I'm going to peel away. And obviously, if my hand is here, I'm staying far away from my hand. So I'm basically going to go like, from this point on, I'm leaving at least a few inches away from my hand, just in order to be as safe as I can possibly be. So we're just going to go and I'm going to drag the peeler away like that. We're going to rotate, drag the peeler away, rotate, drag it away, over and over and over again. Just like that. As you can see, it is really easy to do, okay? And we are peeling the carrot, and we've now completed that portion, so you can see that has been peeled. This is not peeled, so I'm going to rotate it. Now I'm going to hold it on the other side. I'm going to take my peeler, and once again, we're going to go away, and we're making sure that we've cleared all the carrots. So the line right here is basically where I went, and peeled this side. So I'm going to go and overlap it just by a little bit. So I'm going onto the peeled part and going away. We're peeling away from where we are. You can see I'm going away. And if there's a peel stuck in the peeler, then you want to get it out just as I did before, because it'll affect the level of peeling that you're going to get. Now, the last thing is that if you see like a spot like that, basically I'm just going to use the peeler, I'm just going to get rid of it. If there's any spots that sort of look, I don't know, not the best, you can peel down until they're gone. And as you can see, I've peeled the carrot. And what I like to do, because obviously we don't go right to the end, right? There's a little bit of space left here. What I like to do after is I like to just take a knife and I like to cut off just the ends, as you can see over there. And what we're left with is a nicely peeled carrot. We started off with something like this, it was not peeled, and we ended off with something like this that is perfectly peeled, perfectly cut on the ends. It just looks absolutely great. It's that easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, so with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. Actually, before I roll the outro, I do want to say this, because I do believe it kind of goes without being said, but I'll say it anyways. You got to make sure you're putting safety first. At the end of the day, you're dealing with a peeler, okay, which has a somewhat sharp edge on it. It's sharp enough to peel the skin of something like this, and you're using your hands obviously to hold it in place. So you got to make sure you're exercising safety first. Make sure you are being as safe as possible. I showed you the way that I like to do it, where it keeps myself and my hands nice and safe. But obviously you have to use your own common sense and your own sense of judgment and make decisions for yourself that obviously that are making sure that you are putting your safety first. So yeah, obviously put safety first, and that's really all that I have to say, other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. So with nothing else to say, nothing else to show you for real this time, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.